guys, today's training session will be on operationalizing typewritten feedback. So basically there are three simple steps to going about creating typewritten feedback. Firstly, we're going to look at creating a mark sheet. So I have here a blank document, and most module guides, so I'm just going to switch to the module guide now, actually has within them sort of pre-design assessment form. So what you want to do is on your blank document, you want to put your module code, the module name, the assessment itself, in this case is a research proposal, and then you want to also include the date or SID rather of the student, the date it was marked, and as well the first marker. In this case it's me. Okay, and then what you want to do after is you want to go to the module guide and copy the generic formula in there. So just select the table if there's one, copy that into your mark sheet, you paste. So there you have your basic mark sheet. What we need to do is change this column to maximum marks, and then add a column. So I'm going to insert a column here, insert column to the right, and name this column marks awarded. Okay, so now I have my basic mark sheet with the SID, date, first marker, marking criteria, comments, marks, and maximum marks. What you also want to do is at the end, you want to insert a row below to put in the total marks. So you could put your total marks here out of 100. Okay, so your marks will go in there, right? And that's basically your mark sheet. Now what you want to also do is you want to save this as a template document. So you may have to go into export, change the file type to template document, and then say save as. Okay, so you just save to a location. Okay, change the file type to Word template, and then you say save. And there you have, you'll notice the file extension is .dot, which is really a document template. Once you have that document template set up, basically when you're ready to mark, you just have to go to wherever you saved it. In this case, you just have to double click on the file and it will open up a blank document, as in this case here, and you could go ahead and actually enter your marks and so on. Okay, right, the second thing I want to show you guys is creating generic comments for each criteria and each mark band. Now this is actually time consuming, but it could be very beneficial in the long run. So I actually have one created here already. So this is a demo what it may look like. You can see here I have all the sections for the assessment, introduction, literature review, research design, and so on. And then to the top I have the mark band, so 70% plus, 60 to 69, and so on. And what I did was I just created a generic comment for each mark band for each criteria, and just really the keywords are just changing really: excellent, good, satisfactory, basic knowledge, limited information. Those are the keywords that we're changing in the comments. All right. So once you have this, you are now in a position to start marking. Okay. So that's actually to this you in this video. Marking, printing, and attaching the mark to the script. Right. So once you have your template, your mark sheet, basically you just read someone's assignment and you give them a mark, say out of 10 you give them 5, for example. What you then do is you go to the mark sheet comments and you copy that comment, which is between 50 and 59, into the mark sheet here. Okay, so there you have your comments for that particular criteria, which was awarded 5 marks out of 10. And you do that similarly for all the areas. Now if you wish, you could actually come into the comments and put, if you wanted to, put some personalized comments there, or you could actually manipulate the comments that you have here currently. All right, once you're done, you just have to save this now. So you basically, what you want to do is you want to save this file using the student ID. So in this case, the student ID, let's just say 1342354/1. So I'm just going to copy the student ID. Okay, copy that, and then I'm going to save this file, save. Okay, into a folder which I've created here, and I'm going to change the file name to 1 and the student ID. Okay, so that way I can keep track of the papers that I marked by sequence and by student ID, and then I say save. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So once you have that there, and you do that for all your papers, when you ready to print, you're going to then see a list of all the files that you created. So in this particular case, this was the file that paper that I just marked with that particular student, comments, and the marks awarded. All right. Thank you very much.